Nick versus Geo. Both 5.3 turbocharged power plants. Torque arm versus leaf spring with Caltrax.
We're just waiting on that one day karma or your bad luck's gonna happen, and I was just hoping it wasn't gonna be against those guys.
This is it. Yep, A to B, and then another A to B, and we take the 10 grand home.
They both sounded good and clean in the burnout. My heart's pumping, dude. It's pumping, it's going.
They have nothing to lose. They're going for a Hail Mary pass. If they pull one out of their ass, I gotta have a backup plan.
I mean, I told the guys I'm gonna drive the wheels off of it.
Team MAK just set a new ET record, 6:29 at 112. Geo went 7:39, and it's going to be Team MAK and team out in front in the final, Marcus versus Nick.
Spinning ain't winning, and in no prep, the fastest car doesn't always win. Everybody gave it 110%. What more can you ask for?